Go.
Put your helmet on. Can you see what that thing is?
So I can't.
Of course I can. All right.
See what he doesn't have to see. I could actually close my eyes the whole time.
This is good for effect.
My job isn't to see.
Is that director over there?
This is
good for the effect.
Famous last words, Andrew?
I
went out as I lived.
Throwing planes out of a car. You got it?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
What can I hold on to, Andrew?
Oh,
I can't get my
There you go.
There you go. That's good.
There you go.
Now we're talking.
I'm not going
You
anywhere.
can wait till you stop moving though.
Yeah. Oh yeah, my attitude's gonna change. It's gonna change.
Okay, wait a minute. Smile from everybody.
Hey, Mom.
What do you think? I think it's flyable.
Yeah,
Again,
I'm sure it's
I
flyable.
think you need a bigger prop. Yeah. And with a decent launching technique, you can afford one. I mean, that didn't work.
So how was Blue Sky?
I built this thing strong.
You know.
It'll fly again. Did it just go straight into the woods? We need to see it hit the ground first, and it slowed down.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Yes, it did.
Wow.
Look at the other. Dad, look at the other wing.
Yeah, but that's all right. You just put duct tape over that.
Hey.